In a nearly 4-hour session on Monday, the U.S. Supreme Court justices debated Republican-backed laws from Florida and Texas designated to regulate social media platforms' content moderation. The laws, targeted at perceived conservative bias, face scrutiny over the potential violation of free speech rights. Tech industry trade groups challenge the law, arguing that they can lead to infringe on platforms' editorial discretion. Yesterday, justices expressed concern about the law's implications on free speech, emphasizing the protection of platforms' editorial control under the First Amendment. However, they also considered allowing regulations on non-expressive internet services like email or car sharing. The cases provided an opportunity to determine whether the states can dictate content moderation practices, posing a significant legal challenge. The law in question is yet to take effect, but it has been challenged by industry giants like Meta, Google, YouTube, TikTok, and even Snapchat too. Central to the debate is whether the state laws regulating content moderation infringe on platforms' First Amendment right or not. Conservative justices question whether the law interferes with platforms' editorial control, a fundamental aspect of the free speech protection. The liberal justice, meanwhile, raised concern about the unconstitutional application of the law while also acknowledging the potential challenges in blocking them entirely. A decision upholding the law can create a complex regulatory landscape for content moderation, complicating compliance for platforms. The Biden administration, meanwhile, also opposes the law, arguing that they compel platforms to promote objectionable content, violating the First Amendment. The Supreme Court's conservative majority faces a critical decision that can shape the future of online content moderation entirely. The justices have already questioned whether the term content moderation amounts to censorship, echoing concern about the viewpoint discrimination. Industry representatives argue against the law, emphasizing the role in facilitating open dialogue. They have also warned that upholding the law can undermine protective measures, potentially impacting young users' safety online. For the unaware, the Florida's law mandates platforms to host certain speech, while Texas prohibits censorship based on viewpoint. Both laws face legal challenge after appellate court ruled against them. A Supreme Court ruling is expected by June, with implications for social media companies, content policies, and advertiser relations.